Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is for installing a Docker on Windows without Docker desktop. So sometimes like if you are working on Windows Home Edition or due to some other issues you are not able to install Docker desktop, but you want to work with Docker, then there is a workaround. You can enable the WSL 2 in your machine, and then you can install the Ubuntu. So WSL2 is like lightweight compared to installing the any VM. You can install the Ubuntu on WSL2, and then you can install Docker engine inside it, and you can continue your work. So in next 5 minutes, I'm going to share the steps. How can you proceed with this? So this is the README file I have created. I will share this in the description as well. So step one is to check if WSL is enabled in your machine or not. So let me copy this command, and uh, I have opened my PowerShell terminal as administrator, and now I'm going to run this. So I can see I'm seeing the options there, right? So WSL is enabled in my machine. Then I can go uh, to install the Ubuntu on it. So let me copy this and let me clear this and paste it. So Ubuntu 22.0.4 we are going to install. So let's wait for this. So now we can see the installation is completed, and also you need to make sure that your WSL default version is version 2, and you can run this command if it is not there. Let me try to run it. And as it is mentioned here, right, when we install the Ubuntu, like changes will not be effective until the system is rebooted. So let me reboot my machine and come back. So after reboot my machine, I can see this two window. Let me move to the terminal, and here it is asking me to enter the username. So you can give any username what you prefer. Let me give my username. And now let's give the password which you want to set for your WSL Ubuntu machine. So you can give any password. So make sure, because it will not be visible in the terminal. So you need to be very careful while you're entering it. It will ask you to re-enter it again. So we can see that our password updated successfully and installation is also successful. And I can see here the Ubuntu terminal. So now next step is to install Docker engine under Ubuntu. So let me move back to my README file. So we have done with this step. Now here let me run this command. Let me copy this. Let's close this one. It is asking for the password which we entered above. Make sure you remember this. So basically it is updating the applications with the latest. And once this step is done, we can copy this to install the Docker. Let me copy this and come back here, and let's wait for this to complete. So it is completed. Now I can run my next command to install the Docker. Now next step is to start and enable the Docker. So let me go back and let me copy this command, and let's paste it here, not this one. Let me copy this one and hit enter. Now next step is to add your user to the Docker group. So let me run this command. So yeah, we are done. Now let's clear this, and let me run sudo docker images, so we can see that I'm able to run the docker command. And now let's try to run that hello world container. So let me copy this and paste it here, and let's wait for this. So we are getting this error, but I think we have added our user to the Docker group. So now let me close this and uh, try this again with the new session. So let's close this one, and now let me run this again. And here I will say sudo docker run hello world, and let me hit enter. It is asking for a password. So it was not able to find the image locally, so it is pulling the image, and it's downloaded the newer image. Now let me run sudo docker images, so we can see the new hello world image under it. And now let's run sudo docker ps command. So no container is running now, but let me run ps a to see all, even the stop container, so we can see that this container was started and stopped. And also we can see, like, after pulling the images, you should see this message like hello from Docker, and if you are seeing it, that means like your installations appear to be working correctly. You can see this message here. So congratulations, now we are successfully able to install Docker on our Windows WSL2 Ubuntu subsystem. And that's all for this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit on like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. This will motivate me to create a similar video. So Thanks a lot. Have a great day.